Look at the airplane up there. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today, as you can see, we're riding the wheelie, I don't even know what you call this. They have so many options in San Diego. They have the scooters, they got the electric bikes. I guess you could call this electric. I'll call it electric bike. Right now, we are in Fifth Avenue. Downtown San Diego. I don't know that much about the area, but as we can see, there's a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants in the area. They also closed down the street for pedestrians only. And this bike is going extremely slow, and I'm assuming it's because they have a restriction down here. So hopefully as soon as we pass this area, we can move a little faster. A lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. I guess they do events out here. They probably did it in the morning. See, even the birds are riding a little slower than usual. Also might be that my battery's about to die. I wonder how far this street closure goes. I have a dog barking behind me. Yeah, the city's pretty nice, very calm compared to other cities. Not as much movement as New York. Always a plus. I guess having the electric vehicles is a pretty dope feature to have. The airport is very, very close to downtown San Diego as well. It's also a plus. Those look pretty, looks doper. It's all good, you good.
Figure out where to go. That's just back right here. Hey, what's the stop sign? Nigga, they better hit me. Right there.
Wonder what's the weight limit on this. Right now this vehicle been through 222 miles of people riding it.
I mean, they came from here.
Kind of brutal going at the speed. What am I going at? 5 miles per hour pretty much. I guess because this area is restricted. The Vio though, I want to rent that out. It's probably gonna be for another video. Right now I'm riding the wheels. Well, as I called it earlier, the wheelies. If I'm not mistaken, it's probably considered a Gaslamp district. Could be saying it wrong. Oh yeah, I definitely need to rent out a different wheel because this is pretty bad. Let me see if I can rent this one right here. All right, I guess I'm stuck with this wheels. I might have to go to a different street. Maybe it will go a little faster. Or maybe I rent out one of these birds over here. So actually I gotta wait till I hit Broadway Street, and then hopefully once I hit that street we're still going a little faster. This is pretty brutal. I feel like I'm riding a scooter in Target. But Broadway's right here. Hopefully it has some progress. Everybody ride these electrics. Oh. I'm really like riding it like a scooter myself. All right, these wheelies, they suck. I need to change this. Fuck it right here. Oh, this shit is trash. All right. Oh yeah, way faster. This is what we need. All right, so I definitely don't recommend the wheels. I'm assuming that the battery was pretty bad on the one that I was riding. But this, Bird's is going pretty fast. We're going uphill. Can I go through here? Let's find out. So at least I went nice and slow in the downtown area of Fifth Ave. Now we're probably by the residential area. Less residential area. Less packed, less crazy than what we saw earlier. As you can see, everybody else loving, enjoying these electric rides. I think this is a cool way to commute around the city, in my opinion. But I will highly recommend people to actually buy a scooter instead of renting it all the time. If you know that, hold on, we're in a highway area. If you know that you're gonna be using this scooter constantly, definitely buy one. Look at the airplane up there. However, it's has its light. However, if you know you're not gonna be riding as much, then definitely don't buy it. But look, I'm 240 pounds, and so far this would have been doing great. I'm pretty sure the wheelie, the wheels, whatever it's called, probably would even make it up with me. And honestly, I haven't been seeing a lot of people riding the wheels, so I'm assuming nobody really likes riding it. But yeah, this is Fifth Avenue. I might end the video soon. You guys got to see the downtown area, the street closures, how it looks, the city life. And right now, it's like mostly residential, and not really much to see, but a lot of parked cars and palm trees. For some reason, there's a lot of homeless people in this area. I would assume they would be in the downtown area. There's a lot of apartment buildings up here. If you do rent out the birds, make sure you get the gray ones. I think they're the newer models, the black one, or the OGs, they're the original birds, so they might be a little slower. great that the leaves here are purple. I usually see them as pink or red. But I'm gonna end the video around here. Thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, always supporting. Make sure you guys stay safe, be blessed out there. Peace.